Today I'll be removing the starter motor from a 2008 Toyota Camry. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the battery, which has 10 millimeter bolts. Once you take it out, set it aside. Then you will see the starter. On the four cylinders, the starter is mounted to the transmission bell housing. You could remove the air intake components, but in my case, I don't want to take it out since the starter is accessible and you can see it. Next, I disconnect the electrical connections from the starter using a 12mm socket. I remove the securing nut from the main battery cable. Then I unplug the starter signal wire. Using a 14mm socket with an extension, I remove the two mounting bolts, securing the starter to the transmission. So on the bottom bolt, there's going to be another small bracket that's holding the bolt. Apparently you have to take out that one small bolt so you can actually pull the lower bolt that's holding the starter, holding the bracket for the slave cylinder that supplies the brake line, that supplies the brake fluid for the clutch. Once the bolts are removed, I carefully pull the starter straight out of the transmission and remove it from the engine bay. To check if your starter is bad, shake the starter, and if it does sound like this, I would say it's really bad. Compare the new starter to the old one, and then position it to the bell housing. What I usually do is hand thread the mounting bolts first. Gotta make sure you don't strip the bolts, man. These are very hard to fix. So make sure you hand thread them first. Torque them to the specification. I believe the torque for the starting mounting bolts. If you don't use a torque wrench like me, I just press it out. The torque spec is 29 foot per pound or 39 Newton-meter. Reconnect the starter signal wire and install the main battery cable. I would tighten the cable nut to 9 foot per pound. Then reinstall the bracket that we just took out for the brake. I don't know what to say, like the brake line for the clutch. We're almost there. After you do all that, put the battery back, tie it down, use 10mm, double check all the fasteners and lines, and then start the vehicle to confirm the proper starter operation. That's how you remove and install the starter of a 2008 Toyota Camry. If you guys find this video very helpful, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I have more videos like this that I will publish, and I'll see you guys on the next one.